Hello everybody, we're on another video today. We've got something a bit special. The toll boats, toll ship coming to Barrow. I'm going to have a nose, go around and have a look. I hope we're more successful than last year when we Cambo decided to stop recording. Let's go and have a wander to see what we can see. We're dodging the rain though. Let's hope it gives us an hour. Arty painter.
Two of them might get in tonight. Okay. But this only came in at 2 o'clock.
First aid. I can smell food. Police demonstrations or presentation. Flashing lights to keep the kids happy.
Give me that, Freddie. I'll keep it safe. Put it in that.
It's a really expensive youth group as well these days.
Sea cadets.
Is it?
Oh, hooking ducks. I think I pronounced that right.
Mini-me. He's an absolute mini-me. So you... Well, yeah, of course, absolutely. You get one?
Peel Island Ferry. £5 now. Worth it though for a day out. Absolutely. Here we've got the Pelican of London. Last time I stood on this, the camera stopped. Quite disappointed. Go and have a look. Right.
We're not going to run. We'll have to wait a minute now. Can you wait a minute till somebody comes up?
Yeah, no problems.
Somebody coming down. There's 7 ships stuck in Ireland.
Yeah.
I've been told. One might get in tonight, I reckon. Do that, Dave? One might get in tonight. Alright.
Let's go and have a look. Fall off here first.
Hello,
Hi,
how's it going?
Fine, thank you.
We're just doing a one-way system if you don't mind.
Oh
going
yeah,
this way.
yeah, no problems. One-way system. Pride of London.
This is my favourite category.
Yeah, it's just gently.
And the white ones are newer, and they're from shops normally from aquariums and things like that, that we get sent the tea.
Pelican of London.
Alright.
A life rest. Shit, we can't climb up there. Another boat on its way. Ship's wheel. Ah, I think that's all they're allowed to show you. Hey, we can't go downstairs inside. Never mind.
Yes, they're put up in that order very
The music strike now.
Tomorrow we'll put the hotel.
What we got here, is this a tub? The Brockle Bank. Dorfwich, Cheshire, where it was built.
Puts a smile on your face anytime you play. Dancing, happily, sweet of mind, let you have
Look at that music.
I hope it's allowed,
and let go.
You get a sticker.
Thank you very much.
Hang on. You also get
Lots of ladders on that
a
one.
fridge magnet. You also get a postcard.
Thank you very
And
much.
you also get a pamphlet to read all about the police court.
Lovely.
Right, who's coming on? You coming on, mate?
We've got plenty of free gifts. There's a chippy band, smell it. Built in 1964. It's almost as old as me. And the bridge.
Trying up a bit up there.
Yeah. Better than it's forecast, so.
It was awful, because tomorrow was supposed to be a better day, hopefully.
Yes.
Do I take them off my nose? I can't see. Better.
You go down backwards.
So it retired as a tug in 1989, and we've looked after it ever since. It has to be scrapped.
Right.
And the Maritime Museum in Liverpool bought it.
Yeah.
And they gave it to us for run for, and we're all retired ex-merchant Navy people.
Right.
And this is our hobby, we're all volunteers. And it's lovely to get out and about. This is our only trip this year where we've got out. It's based in it's what we preserve and
This is steep. We are inside the ship. Toilet, shower. Day heads, I think they're called.
Sorry, mate.
Right. Thank you very much. There you go.
I gotta get down.
Take your time.
You told them at the bottom.
Yeah, good tour this boat. Imagine going up and down these in rough seas. Engines, generators.
This is massive. John, let's get
What a cool hobby, hey? Hey, don't store more.
I think that's the fire heating system. Brockleback. So this one, engine. Massive. 8-cylinder turbocharged. And the water level start back. Right.
Imagine that was glass. You know, like
Half a gearbox.
These just raise and lower voltages, just raise those. And then this is all the distribution systems. So you've got here accommodation, 30 amp, and then the cable size. This is radar, that's VHF. Engine room supplies, air pumps down here.
Fuse box. Look at these fuses.
Down here you've
All
got
ceramic
windlass,
ones.
capstan. These, so we can just switch on the machine. So you've got things like a starter over there, a starter there, the machine. So the supply that starter comes from. So it's cool.
Crossing.
Quite loud.
Oh, so that means it's black.
We then have see here, we've got two sets of lights. This is the AC lights. This is the 6 volts. You've got an AC for the microwave, it charges phones. Now all the stuff you've got to have nowadays. Before we could only do converters, which were generally not very successful. The heavy cabin needs to have a socket for charging problems. So we got that. So we got that scene. It's got to be running forward like this.
Mind your head.
Switch over to shore power. Once we're moving,
These steep steps again.
we can switch that on, give us all of our reasons.
How fascinating was that? I enjoyed that. Watch it again. It's a towing equipment about for hook. Back with the music again. It's not going to go down well. Tiger feet. I'm surprised they're playing that. Put it on for the kids. Be careful. Behave. We're going in circles. There's the Palace of London. The oil in the water. Apparently this ship was retired, sent for scrap, and they saved it. And it's been restored. Try and get off now.
Here's the bell. Wait, what's that there? Oh no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Go on. Oh yeah. Bring them out. I can see them.
Let's see the sweet lady.
Go on. Oh.
You put it on. That's it. You put it on. Don't like it going now. Careful if you step down. Don't trip over.
Titanic. Looking out for icebergs. Oh, there we go. That's the Brocklebank. Old tub. Now we'll find our way up. Maritime Museum. Excellent job. Oh, stupid music. Candy floss. Burgers and chips here. I am so tempted. I've had nothing to eat yet. And the Peel ferries here as well doing trips. It said back there £5, well someone told me they're actually charging £6. So there you go.
Alright, we'll see you Monday.
See you on Monday.
See you later,
What time
mate.
you set it off?
Old Spicky Chippy. Seal watching trips, private charters. It's splashing out. certainly spread out this year. It's all the way down here. The veterans.
Yeah, big garrison then.
King's Own Border
Yeah,
Regiment.
army garrison then. Yeah, there was about 8 regiments there at the time, just outside of Salford. Yeah.
How like 9?
Oh, right. Oh, no, I joined in 79.
Oh, that's a long walk to get to Wrexham.
He doesn't like jelly, so that's fine with me. I don't either. No, I don't either.
Do with work, this is.
Not a jelly. I thought you meant jelly as in pot of jelly.
Let's continue. There's a few boats out there. Look at them, they're sailing, not much wind. Well, they're managing. There is a yacht club across the other side, a bit further down. Not very often you see them out though. Should use it more. What have we got here? Those are sweets. Soft drinks. RNLI. Raising some money, no doubt. This is going to be a long video. What are we doing here? Youth squad.
Pick other one.
That's alright. Better than me. I've got 0.
LBF. Don't know that one. That. Right, closer look. Shout at me in a minute, you watch. Mermaid. Get back behind the barrier.
That's a mermaid.
Raffles. Alright. Too bad. That. It still goes on. Right down the other end. Is it Pickloo Dock? I can't remember. Well, there's ship boats here, we're going to have a nose. Duddon Canoe Club.
So we went up to... Use off down there. We'll have a look at this port.
Oh, we're out over there.
You look like Jimmy Savile.
Not going to let us near, are they?
Apart from the steering, we've got it
Peel Island Ferry. Little Peggy. Gertie looking at me. It is £5 every 20 minutes. I don't understand why you can't get near to these boats. We've got here Hearts of Oak, Ulverston. No idea what that is. Was it the name of a boat or something? What is catamarans? Take my hat off, I'm overheating all this walking.
It's going to be really rich in there now. It's going to be really cheesy, isn't it? Is there a head torch as well?
Ice cream. Oh, canoe club that look. Oh, getting near the boats here. That's better. There's a bar for later. Must be having a good diesel. All these boating people. This one's a lagoon. Sign on the front, waterproof. Very good. Hearts of Oak, I remember seeing this last year. It was up the top end, all the way up there. Alright. I like to go water polo in canoes. Two big boats in the background. Or nuclear boats. They're made famous by transporting nuclear waste from Japan all the way to Sellafield for disposal. All the eco people and Greenpeace have turned up and not impressed. That's a few years ago that was. They're all named after birds. Heron, egret, Pacific heron, Pacific egret. I think there's 6 of them in total. Terrible accident. Alright. Oh, yeah. Going to see what these canoe clubs up to. I saw them and we'll get a bit closer. Put them on YouTube, make them famous. Dudden Canoe Club. I used to love canoe when I was younger. Oh, the water's quite clean here.
I think the plane is okay.
There we have it. Not sure what you call it, is it polo, basketball on canoes or... It's good fun, whatever it is. Everybody's smiling, having a good time. We're going to have a wander back now. We've got a barbecue going on in there in a bar. For the boaters. No doubt we're on a boating rally. We'll have a bit of fun later, a bit of music. I'll bring you back in a bit. I'm going to be cheeky. They tell me to get lost, they tell me to get lost. In clear water. Loads of them. Definitely a boat rally. They'll be in that bar later, won't they? Might have to come down and join them. Working boats here. Some sort of fishing, seafood or something. Drags the net behind it like a little trawler. I'm going to have a look. They're going to shout at me. You can't shoot me. I've got no guns. BW106. Like a mini trawler. Dragnet thing. Let's have a wander back. Movie star will be wondering where I am. Mario. Name of the boats, we've got Catherine Fair, Barrow, Ariel, what's this one? I can't read that, it's in fancy writing. Where is Sharon? I don't know. Delphinus, up there. Yeah, nice catamaran down the end, Ocean Swift. There's Mischief. go. One there called Discussion, Barrow. I can't read the others. Well, there you go, that's the bottom end. Pretty much sorted and covered and filmed, and I'm going to make a way back. Think of that chippy back. Another sculpture. Missed this on the way down. Let's pay attention. Seahorse. I like these sculptures, they're good. See if we can find some more. Everybody's looking at me funny because I'm talking to a little black box. Well, I thought it would have poured down with rain. It keeps spitting. But, getting away with it. Tomorrow's supposed to be a better day. Today's Saturday. On again tomorrow, Sunday. Soon plenty of people here. Picking the raspberries and blackberries. There we go. Loads of them along here.
Not to excuse me. Nice talking to you. Yes, please. 50p for sweets.
Raffle there with sweets and things. And one of the prizes is an air fryer. I would love to have one of them. That's to save me coins. Not quite sure what that's supposed to represent. Sure someone would tell me. Bottle tops. The LBF. Can't figure out what that means. LBF Dad's place, LBF Children. Aren't they? Oh, we're going to get another music strike. Sniffy Chippy van. Old Citroen. Done a good job of this, looks really good. Noisy generator. £3 for chips. Fish and chips, £8. It's not bad. £8 fish and chips. I think the chips are a bit steep on their own. Glossy. Always comes past my house, he does, every afternoon. believe they were playing Gary Glitter earlier. Unbelievable. Candy floss on the streets.
Thank you very much, everyone.
I parked my car in the car park. I hope it's not been clamped. Back at Rockleback Tug. Last year I was here, filmed, my camera packed up, but I didn't get a bit of recording of Little Dinky, Katie. Quick look, and I'll end it right there. And the sun's trying to break through. Keeping Britain trading. ABP. Something Barrow Ports, I think, it's CA4. Port of Barrow. Wow, we're doing a complete circle. There's one more thing to look at, just outside the gates. Oh, Sea Cadets. Fine. I'll say hello to the police. If you don't, they'll only nick you.
You have to pay for services as well.
Nice fancy blue van.
Yay! Oh no! I'm on the roof! Get in the cage. Get in the cage. Oh, it's not that one.
They're locking the kids in the police car.
See you later.
More hospitals. No bus. A little bit out of the way. Tall Ships Town Tour. Okay. Marsink Town Hall, Ramsden Dock Museum. Anyway, Marsden's. I'm going to rescue my car now. Well, I think we enjoyed that walk around. I think it's absolutely brilliant day. can't say get yourself down here, because the time this goes out, it'll be all over. To find it in your hearts to consider subscribing. Put some requests down. I have 2 requests still outstanding, I've forgotten. Yeah, subscribe. Help the channel out. Give a thumbs up, share. Have a great day. Till the next one. Bye bye.